Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, I will guide you through the simple step to log in EdFinancial, your gateway to managing your finances hassle-free. EdFinancial is there for you. Whether you are a seasoned user or just getting started, I have got you covered. So let's dive right in. First thing first, open up your preferred web browser. Whether you are using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser of your choice, make sure it is up and running. Here, I use the Google Chrome to go through the EdFinancial login. Next, in the address bar, type in EdFinancial login. After that, you will see the Login EdFinancial option in the screen. So tap in Login EdFinancial. Now you will be directed to the login page. Here you need to enter your username in this respective field and password in this respective field. Make sure you input them correctly to avoid any login issues. After entering your credentials, double check to ensure they are accurate. Once you are certain, click on Login. Once you are logged in, you can access all the features and functionalities offered by EdFinancial to manage your finances efficiently. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.